This blood leaves all blood banks countrywide freely. Nobody pays for it. But once it gets out in the hospitals, then issues start around there. And Mr. William has informed you, we have arrested some people. It's not that we just keep watching. We have arrested some people, and these people have been taken to police. But when police, I think, is writing their things to DPP for prosecution, then they say what penalty is prescribed for such a person that has been caught dealing in this. And there is nothing in the penal code that penalizes someone who has been caught selling blood in such a dubious situation. So a law is in place, being they are working on it, so that in the future we shall have a law prescribing clear penalties for those people found selling blood. But in the meantime, really help us, because we have that problem. We are also aware, and we keep, it is work in progress. We are working to ensure that that can stop. And the other way to stop it is to have too much blood available, because normally they do it when there is scarcity. Whenever we have blood in plenty, sale of blood minimizes. But whenever blood starts being scarce, then sale becomes so much.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.